have you see the height, background, color, font weight, line weight, height, something like that? Is just a size you can create by yourself. That's not a complicated thing. So the complicated thing is on this. First, include navbar as I told you before. Just a default template we call on every single page. So when you're on this token is mean the can like satisfy of your website, can make a certificate on your website. That's make your website legal. That's your website is not a bad thing. It's not a criminal like it. It's like a certificate on your website. If you don't put it on the code, it's gonna be error. So we use the class container and class the form is on this, the form control, form content, and the node size. So new add new admin to the school gonna on this box, like I told you. It's mean on node that created. It's mean this. It's mean all of this, and then class row, and we put the render field form the first name. It mean we create the first name on this box, and class form control on this form control, and placeholder. It mean the name of this place is the first name. We have to create a placeholder for the when you create the model, you create a database, you have to use this to put on your model. Like a render field is mean we render the form dot first name. It mean from the first name like this. That's gonna when it mean when you description something, put some information, the information is gonna correct on this database like this. It's gonna correct on the this first name database. As I told you, the model is like a database, and then you just create last name. I want to show you. So surname admin 2 because I have admin 1, admin submit. So login admin 2, admin. Yeah. So when you click on the sign up, it means type submit. It means the button is a type submit. You can click on it, and it's gonna link to on the next page as we set up like on this line type submit and we set up. When you click on this button, it's gonna send you to the admin sign up. It means when you don't have account yet. It means when you don't have account yet. Yes, on this you just click on sign up here. It means it's gonna link to and back to the admin sign up. So that's it on this page. So we log in. Okay, so this is the admin dashboard. As I told you, I'm gonna show you admin dashboard. Okay, so As the same, we call the admin base.html. I'm gonna show you admin base. Yeah, the admin base is just a template, just a layout. As I told you, we're gonna have left area, we have the body, we have the header, have the left area, logout button. It mean is a base is a default template that we use on every single page on the admin section, like this box, this line is mean left section, top section. When you click on attendance, we still have this. Click on fee, we still have this. Is mean a default page that we have on every URL page that we click on it. Left area, the logout button, logout sidebar, and then link. The style sheet is a how to say layout. It's just like a layout. So input type checkbox, left area, SMS admin panel. On the right area, we have logout on this. It means when you click on logout, that's gonna link you to the logout page that we created on the logout page. And this is a sidebar that we have an image already. So the file static, the folder static, the file image, and we get the admin.png class profile image is mean class profile image like on this like 100 pixel 100 pixel 100 pixel on this. And then we have dashboard teacher student attendance free notice. When you click as the same logic, when you click it's gonna link and send you to the admin dashboard page, gonna link you to admin dashboard page. And I told you I'm gonna show you when you click it send you to the admin dashboard page on this. Of this is the same logic. And then I'm show you how to student attendance. This is the logic of this take attendance. I have a student already, so on this attendance page admin can check present absent of student and can enter the date time, can enter the what date. Okay, and then submit. So I'm gonna show you admin page take attendance. This is like a simple template too, and we extend the admin base. It means as I told you on the previously, it means on this base just a default template. So I hope I don't have to tell you every time when I see the extend school base. So when you see this, just realize it mean a default template. So we see the attendance, we call on the class panel primary, okay, and student present absent, okay. So this is the for loop student in the students. student.getName from present status. If you're wondering what is the student is mean the on the view, if I remember, is mean on the view student ah is students dot models dot student extra objects dot all. It means we get all of the function in the models student extra database. I'm gonna put you student extra database. That means dot all that you see. It means we're gonna get all of this function into this database, and when we use to take attendance class, that means for student in students, that means we gonna let this and loop and get all value of these students, and on this line we're gonna get name. It means every single name that on the database gonna put on this, and then a form present or status is mean the present. It mean the function that we have on the documentary of HTML. Is like a function to check the student present and absent, and inbox too same, and this is like press enter the year on this, and we can submit class button value, submit attendance. The same logic when you can create just one page, you can create every page. The Django is easier to code, is have the same logic on every page, so you this can make you easier to create a website project. Is easier to use. Okay, don't take time too much on the admin page, so I'm gonna you can click on this to log in or admission, and you can click on it too. Okay, so I have a student already. I already have a student, so just log in. So student dashboard. So I think I don't need to explain you about the student login, student sign up, or student click, because it's like a same code of the admin click, admin login, and admin sign up file, as that's I explained to you previously. So I think I don't have to take time too much on this, because it's like a same code. I just change the name, still admin to the student, and teacher too. On the teacher section is the same code too. So don't have take time too much. I'm gonna take time to the student badge, student dashboard, and the same. We extend the school student base.html. It means student base on this is the same. It's just a default layout. Just a default layout that we put on every single page that be the student page. Okay. So first left area as the same I explained to you previously on the admin page, sidebar on the of this. code. Okay. Mm. So we focus on this on the dashboard. It means this page. Okay, we have the default layout on the left area and